Hi, I'm Anthony.
Hi, I'm Iris.
And welcome to our garden. Hey Iris, one of our subscribers asked us, what in the world do we do with all that basil that's in our yard?
You can use basil in all kinds of ways. Fresh basil, dried basil, basil tea, basil pesto, basil oil, basil vinegar,
Basil butter, basil salt, basil lemonade popsicles, basil infused honey, basil infused water, basil infused olive oil, basil pasta, basil rice, basil chicken, basil shrimp, basil stir fry,
basil in soup, basil in curry, basil in chili, basil on pizza, basil on salad, basil salad dressing, basil aioli, basil hummus, basil mayo, basil bread,
basil biscuits, basil crackers, basil in smoothies, basil green juice, basil jelly, basil jam, basil ice cream, basil sorbet,
basil cocktail, basil mojitos, basil margaritas, basil martinis, basil tincture, basil balm, basil
salve, basil steam for sinuses, basil soap,
basil bath soap, basil essential oil, basil for inflammation, basil for digestion, basil for headaches, basil for anxiety, basil bug repellent, basil for nausea,
colds, basil mouthwash, basil toothpaste, basil hair rinse,
basil face toner, basil potpourri, basil for home fragrance, basil for energy, basil for spiritual cleansing,
basil for good luck charms, basil plants at your front door, basil dried and burned like incense, basil offering and prayers, basil in healing garden. That's about all I can say about basil.
I believe that's enough. And don't forget to see new videos. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this with people that you think will benefit from it. Have a good day.
Have a good day.